In this video I unboxed and set up the LGB9 TV, one of the best in 2019 and still one of the best in 2020. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unbox, bringing you tech unbox and reviews. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the specs and features of this TV, as well as anything else I forgot. So let's jump into the unbox. Okay, so now let's open this beast. That's it. This is a lift up box, but I'll just do this first, because I think we got some things inside that we don't want them to drop. Okay, let's see what we have inside now. So that's a remote with batteries and some manuals. As you can see, let's leave this on the side. And a cover, plastic cover. Okay. Now maybe we can lift the box now, yeah. Okay, so we are closer now, and let's lay this on the floor. Let's see what we have here. And then there's the base of the TV. And let's see how this one looks. That's basically what you get inside. And there's the steering stuff, which we'll put back in the box so we can put the screen on top to mount this base. Let's see how the base looks. Pretty neat, nicely packed. It looks good. It is a plastic base, but it looks nice. Yeah. Then we have some cover, I think. Turn this up below. That's the cover for the back. Set this aside as well. Let's see what we have here. Remote control, awesome. That's cable management. I'm guessing this comes here. Exactly. Let's leave this on the side as well. 2 batteries. Oh, the sticker. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do with this, but it says 107 watts energy consume. That's good. And manuals. Register to activate the guarantee. How to use the remote. You got a Prime video, and I'll show you in 1 second. Some other stuff. How to clean the TV screen. Okay. Some information. What you get inside, the screws, the M4 screws, 4 of them, cable management, cover, the base, manuals, remote with 2 batteries, and the actual TV as well. Okay. So we've gone through this. Let's set this on the side. I still have something inside here, the screws, right? Yes. Screws, that's everything here. Let's take the remote out. Small manual for the remote. And as you can see, the remote. It has some really nice buttons. Let's take this off. Really satisfies people. Oh, so nice. Okay. On the side, let's put the batteries in. It's pretty much easy to get this out. You just push on it. Let's put the batteries on. Done. You can see the LED there. It's on already. So let's set the remote on the side and let's get to mounting the base, and then we'll go straight to the setup. That's the base. I'll show you the dimensions here. You can see. Okay. And then we have the screws. Let's open this. Get the screws out. Okay. As you can see, this has two pegs that go inside here, and I should take this a bit closer. Just 1 second. Take it closer. Push this inside. Just like that. So we can mount the base. Now it fits really good. Okay. First screw in. Second one. Third. And fourth one. Okay. Good. So now let's add the cover. Let's see, like this. Oh, no, it looks great, doesn't it? And then we have the cable management plastic, which goes right on here. Done. Now let's check the connectivity. Okay, so we are closer now, so you can see the connections. So we have optical digital output, audio output, LAN input, which I won't be using because this TV has Wi-Fi as well. Antenna and satellite in, the fourth HDMI, then 2 USB-A's, and then we have another USB-A just here, and then another 3 HDMI ports. The second one having audio output as well, and then a PCMCIA card slot, which I won't be using. I don't know who uses that, but it's there if you need it. And then let's go to the setup phase. Okay, so first of all, let's take the screen protection off. Oh, that's really satisfying, isn't it? At least for me it is. Oh, look at this. It's just gorgeous. Awesome. Nice. Great stuff. And look at it. It's a black mirror, that's what it is. Now let's turn the lights off and power this beast on. Look at this. So, WebOS loading screen. Yes. Okay, press the OK button on the wheel. Here we go. Oh, it's so nice. English, country, United Kingdom, that's it. Okay, there we are. Environment. Watching for TV. Yes. Internet connection, I'll just really fast add my connection. Okay, so now we're connected. Just some legal notice. Fourth step. Yeah, next. I agree with everything, as everybody. This agree, yeah, of course. Everything. Get ready to watch TV. I did connect my PS4 with it, so because I'll mainly be using it for playing games. But let's. TV has 0. What? Maybe I should turn the PS4 on. Okay. Let's try again now. Yeah. See now that the PS4 is on, it found the PS4. Okay, so let's go. How do I get it? I don't need this. Set up TV box. Yeah, I'll just use this. Okay. I can't set it up without interviewing. Okay. Let's just skip this step. Just quickly put my information on. Yay! Almost done. Device connector. Okay. Back to maze. Next. HDMI 1. AirPlay. No, I don't want to try this now. Let's exit this. Let's go straight inside. DTV. Let's go. Okay. No. Not programmed. Let's just use a PlayStation input. Or maybe we can use the okay. So we got in the home dashboard. That's the inputs that we have. Internal speakers. We can also connect Bluetooth speakers, AirPlay with the iPhone or anything. Let's check the settings a bit. Picture mode, echo, cinema. Come on, next one. Okay. Sports, game. Can't really see that much of a difference unless we maybe play something. Sound. Okay, so there's where we want it to go. Alexa, we'll try some Prime Amazon because I have a Prime account. Let's try YouTube. Add YouTube channel. I'll quickly add to YouTube from the content store. Let's close this. Apps. Let's search for YouTube. Oh, there it is. Okay. YouTube. Install. Really easy. You can see here it's like pitch black. Let's launch the app. The gray area really looks good. Use YouTube signed out. Switch to PS4. This is a game that I was playing earlier. So you can see how good this looks. By the way, this is Shadow of War that I'm playing. I'll just show you some gameplay.
I feel as though I've been fighting for 100 years.
May you never learn what it is like to fight for 1,000.
Isolated.
Going to be no one to lead the army.
I'll take over. I'd be a great leader, I would.
Look! The ward!
Yes.
Look for it! He must be here! If it comes back, you'll kill it me.
Tremble before me!
Okay, so that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxed of this TV as I've enjoyed it. And please like and subscribe on this channel if you want more of this content posted. And I'll be doing a review on this TV after about a month, so check out that one when it's released. And see you on the next one.